Apple Intelligence not working on your iPhone 17 Air. If you press the side button, as you can see, my Apple Intelligence enable and also enable this setting. If you don't show this option, then here's the fixing. Go setting, and you need to go your general. From here, go to language and region and select United States or United Kingdom or any European country. Once you select this option, then press on add language and select English UK or English USA as a keyboard. So I am selecting those options as well. Now go back, go to Apple Intelligent, and here you can see the language. Go the language and select your language as well. So once all done, now you can see that you're able to enable this option. So once you enable, it's downloading and it takes around 15 or 13 minutes to complete the download process. On complete, then if you press the side button and if you press the icon, you can see your type Siri as well. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.